A forum on Confucianism opened on Tuesday in the city of چھوفو, East China's Shandong province, the birthplace of the Chinese philosopher Confucius, to discuss the ancient wisdom of Confucianism and explore the future of human beings. The forum coincided with the 2022 China International Confucius Cultural Festival, attracting more than 200 scholars at home and abroad at the opening ceremony. Themed The Diversity of Human Civilizations and Shared Values of Mankind, the two-day event features high-level dialogues and a series of activities to boost international cooperation and development.
Traversing many and all national, ethnic, and religious boundaries, this perfect storm could only be engaged and weathered effectively by a global village working collaboratively for the good of the world community as a whole.
Confucius, an educator and thinker, has influenced countless generations of Chinese society.